everyone, today our product of choice is Waldent Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit. Waldent Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit comes with a porcelain etchant, which is a 9% buffered hydrofluoric acid used to etch porcelain veneers, crowns, bridges, inlays and fractured dental porcelain, and a silane primer, which is a single component coupling agent used after hydrofluoric acid etching to prepare the surface for bonding resin. Waldent Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit comes with a porcelain etchant and a silane primer. This kit can be used both intraorally and extraorally. Waldent Porcelain Etch in Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit is a viscous, buffered 9% hydrofluoric acid which comes in a gel form that makes it easy to apply and to control its flow. The etching process with Waldent Porcelain Etch only takes 90 seconds and it does not stain any ceramic or composite restoration and can be washed off easily. Waldent Silane Primer in Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit is a pre-mixed coupling agent used to improve bonding between porcelain or exposed metal surface and resin cements. Waldent Porcelain Etch in Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit is designed to etch exposed porcelain veneers, crowns and inlays. It can also be used for etching porcelain crowns or exposed metal surface before bonding orthodontic brackets. Waldent Silane Primer in Ceramic Crown Conditioning Kit helps in the treatment of exposed porcelain or metal surface and glass fiber post before cementation with resin cements. Repair of zirconia, alumina crowns and lithium disilicate crowns. Isolate the adjacent tissues with the rubber dam or gingival barrier. Slightly abrade the porcelain surface or exposed metal surface with a high-speed diamond burr or micro-air abrasion. Now attach the applicating tip to the Waldent Porcelain Etch tube. Verify flow and consistency before applying. Being careful to avoid enamel and dentine, slowly express an even coat onto the required surface for 90 seconds. Rinse and suction the applied porcelain etch from the surface and dry completely. Etched porcelain should have a frosty appearance. If it does not, then repeat the etching process. Then apply the Waldent Best Etch for 5 to 10 seconds to remove porcelain salts and debris formed by the hydrofluoric etchant, then rinse and dry. Now attach the applicating tip to the Waldent Silane Primer. Verify flow and consistency before applying. Apply a puddle coat of Waldent Silane Primer to the etched surface for 60 seconds and let it evaporate. Then blow with a gentle stream of air until completely dry. Do not rinse. After etching and priming, the crown surface is ready for applying bond adhesive, opaque if required, followed by composite restoration. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.